welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for joining me for another video. If this is your first time, welcome to GlamTam, and if this is not your first time and you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, sis. So today's video, I just wanted to do an updated wash and go, wash day type routine. I did a wash and go routine over a year ago. Obviously my hair is a lot longer since then, and also I'm still getting colors, so I just wanted to show you the whole ordeal as far as shampooing, what treatments that I use to keep my hair healthy, what products that I use to make my hair last the whole week, because I do wash my hair only once a week, so this will last me the full week. So these are my holy grail ride or die products that I like to use on my hair, and it works for me. So if you are natural out there, find what works for you, find what products, what techniques and everything works for you, and do not give up on your hair. We are all different, our backgrounds are different, our genes are different, our hair texture is different, so you just have to be patient, find what works for you, and just keep it moving, sis. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so already. I would greatly appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. See you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start in the shower because I just came from the gym. I'm dirty, I stink, my hair is dirty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it down really good so I can start to shampoo. So for today's starting lineup for shampoo, I chose the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo by the OGX brand. I do sometimes do a co-wash, but the previous wash and go, I tried a new gel and leave-in conditioner, and it left my hair feeling really kind of funky. So I just went ahead and shampooed and started on a clean slate. And this shampoo actually makes my hair feel really clean without making it super dry and stripping the moisture out of it. So that is why I like to use this shampoo from the OGX brand. So after rinsing the shampoo out, now I start to treat my hair, and I love this Redken Extreme Cat Protein Treatment Spray. I use this probably every single week after I shampoo my hair because I do have color treated hair, and this is a protein spray which helps to keep my hair intact and helps to keep the bond strong and keep it from breaking off. So I do spray this through my hair, and I let it sit for probably 3 to 5 minutes. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone dealing with breakage, anyone with color treated hair. Definitely try out this protein spray. And after I do that protein spray, I go back in and moisturize. So today I'm using the Apogee Balancing Moisturizer, and some of you have probably seen this at the beauty supply store, but I use this, and I also detangle with this as well. And because the protein treatment is such a strong treatment, I like to just use this to bring everything back to normal. It helps to balance out the pH levels again. So it's like a moisturizer, conditioner, but detangler, pH balance, leveler, all of that jazz, all in one. So it makes my hair feel really, really good after I rinse it out. And after I rinse out the conditioner, I go ahead and just deep condition my hair. I try to deep condition at least once a week, if not at least every other week. So today I chose to use the Macadamia Ultra Rich Repair Mask, and I really been liking this one because there's different types for whatever type of hair you have. And I just put this all over my hair and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes if I'm feeling a little frisky, I like to sit under the dryer for 25-30 minutes just to make myself feel a little bit special, like I'm doing something. But either way, my hair always feels nice and soft whenever I rinse this out. So I'm sitting and just waiting, scrolling through my phone, and after that I rinse it out. And this is the trick that I use to keep my hair nice and blonde and looking fresh. This is the Kearcolor Clenditioner in the color Platinum. It's basically like a color depositing conditioner. It just helps to keep your color looking nice and fresh. There's different colors. There's red, there's rose gold. This one is the platinum one for blondes, and it just helps to keep my blonde looking nice and fresh and fun, just the way that I like it. So I put this on, let it sit for a good 20-30 minutes. So if you do have color treated hair, I would definitely give this a try. It just helps to spruce up your color without feeling the need to have to go permanently dye your hair again. So after my hair is nice and treated, I just go ahead and just separate my hair and section it off. I usually do 4 big sections, and then as I'm working, I do like subsections just to make everything easier while putting on my product. So if you saw my previous wash and go, you know the Kinky Curly brand is like my holy grail products. I use the Not Today leave-in conditioner and also the Kinky Curly Curl Custard Gel, and these two really work great on my hair. So I still do the shingling method with using the Dimmed brush as well, and the Dimmed brush helps to clump my curls together before I go in and separate them. My curls kind of naturally separate by themselves, so however they are separating, I just go ahead and pull them apart and just let them go, and they just kind of like do what they want to do. So doing this method really helps them to last throughout the whole week. Sometimes I just run the product through my hair, but I get more of a fro look, and that only lasts me like maybe 2 or 3 days. But doing this method, I'm guaranteed to not have to shampoo for like another 6 or 7 days. So, and I do like to try other products here and there, and I'm open to trying other things, but at the end of the day, this is what I always go back to, and this is how my curls last throughout the entire week, because we don't have time to be doing this all week, sis. Nope, not me. This is how my hair looks after it's nice and shingled, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go through the rest of my hair and just put all this product on my hair, and you can sit back and relax, and I will see you guys whenever I am done with this step. Okay, and this is how my hair looks after everything is nice and shingled and I have my product all throughout my hair. So you can see my curls are nice and defined with no frizz, which is what I love. So I normally don't have anything to do, so I go ahead and just air dry my hair throughout the rest of the day, and then take some OGX oil to scrunch out the crunch in my hair, because the gel does leave a crunch on my hair, which crunch is actually not bad because it means that my hair is going to hold throughout the whole week. So I just take little pieces and just like run it through my hair, and then I take a blow dryer on a cool or a medium setting and kind of pull my curls, and this helps to stretch out my hair so it's not so like shrunken and like, I don't know, I like big hair, so like I just kind of adds volume whenever I use my blow dryer and like pull on it. And then I just take a pick and just like pick it out, style it how I like. It does get bigger throughout the week, so I don't try to fluff it out too much the first day. And yeah, so this is basically all I do after it's dry. I just fluff it out, style it out, whatever, make it do what it do on its own. So yeah, that is all. That's how I get my curls so defined and keep them healthy looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also everything is down in the description box if you are interested in any of the products that I use. On that note, I will holler at you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.